So guys, welcome back. Now, once again, if you are new and you've not subscribed, please just click on the subscribe button. Now, we'll take a look at our goal, which is our XAUUSD. So, watch it to the end, and you'll see why I will be taking this trade and why I'm predicting price will be moving a certain way for the next day. Let's start with our weekly time frame. So, I'll zoom it out, by the way. We all see on a weekly time frame, this was actually our highs. We saw this huge week which our highs price dropped. We saw it rally up to this that same level again. If you were actually consistent watching, follow me, you would have actually know how we got this move upward, and we had a drop. And notice that when I highlighted that level, taking it as our resistance level. Now we have this below, which is our support level. Price was actually give us pull impulse move upward, and we had a pullback at this level. Price actually came to this level and it bounced up. We saw this huge candlestick wick again, it bounces up, and guess what again? This price came to this level, it bounces up again, and now it is actually dropping again. So basically, if you are to analyze it, you would see that our USD to our gold, they actually have this kind of a correlation whereby if the USD index is going bullish, then our gold tends to go bearish. But once the USD index starts going bearish, then gold tends to rise up. Now take a look at this way. Let me zoom it out. Since I think it was August, we are having this impulse movement upward on our USD index. We see that it was this same August we're actually having this bearish move on our, it was this same period of time we're having this bearish move on our gold. So that is it. Once we start having this bearish move on gold, sorry, it was this was it here, sorry. So this was around August. So basically this was the August period where we're having this drop on our gold. Our USD index was actually rallying up, but once our USD index starts going bullish at this level here, which is, was it not about July, then we saw this period where one price starts rolling. Now you see this July period, you see it's July here, price was rolling up here, then our gold was actually dropping. So basically, once our US index goes up, then our gold tends to drop. So now with the news that there will be no stopping on the increase in interest rates in the US, which means the USD will continue to rally up, go bullish, then our gold will continue to drop. Reason is that once there's an interest rate increase, it will be more difficult to borrow, right? And we all know these big institutions, they borrow to actually invest, and one of the investments they make is into gold. So once it becomes more difficult to actually invest, they would not want to really want to go for this high risk investment. They would rather go into bond and every other thing. So reason why gold itself will continue to drop. So we'll very much likely see the drop to this year. Now, this daily stand on points. This is a bearish move on the technical aspect of it. For this is, we all see this impulse move downward. A correction was made. We add another impulse move, and we add this correction here. So now this correction, what are we expecting again? Another impulse move on the daily time frame standpoint. So this is actually a trend bearish we are actually looking at. Secondly, this our price is below 10 period moving average. This moving average you are seeing here is 10. So it is below 10 period moving average. Another reason why we should actually go bearish. Notice that once we add this pullback, it's touch our 10 period moving average, then we add a drop, and now it has gotten to this our 10 period moving average, and what are we having? A drop again. So we'll very much likely continue to go bearish. Yesterday we opened and closed bullish. Today we actually open bearish, then tomorrow, which is on the night, we'll very much open and close bearish again on our XAU USD, which is our gold. Now to actually take this trade, by the way, so to actually place this trade, we would want to trade what we see and not what we think. One of the rules of trading, right? So trade what you see and not what you think. So I'm going to light it for you so you will be able to understand it better. So what we are seeing on our 4-hour time frame is 4-hour time frame we place this trade is that price is kind of ranging. This is actually a pullback on our daily time frame. Daily time frame, this is actually a pullback. We also see this impulse move downward, then a correction was made on daily time frame. This is a correction back on daily time frame. But when you see on the 4 hour time frame, we are kind of ranging. So basically we would want to range. See this, once our price got to this level here, we saw it bounces up. Like when it was bearish, we saw a pullback at this level here. Now our price break below and it tests this level, and see it when it was rallying up, it came to this level and it bounced down. It's rally up again, it came to this level and it is what bouncing down. So we would want to take this lows again, which is our support area. So now we are now having this resistance area which is up and support area which is down. So basically trade what you see and not what you think. So once the market opens, we will very much likely short this our price, go straight to our support level, and possibly if it gets to our support level, it does not break our lows, it does not continue to go further down, then definitely we'll see a rise in our gold, so our USD. So what 4 hour time frame, range with it as the price is ranging, also range with the price. Don't trade because it is the next day. We don't trade on the weekly or on the monthly. We want to trade it daily, go in and opt out. So which means for our says we are ranging, so range with it. Once it drop to our support, then take your buy straight to resistance. That is the movement and the prediction on our gold for the day.